Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to check your how many people have applied a job in LinkedIn. If you are hunting the job for just curious about competition, this video for you. Let's get started. Alright, so first make sure you need to log it in your LinkedIn account. Head over the LinkedIn job section. You can find it right to the top of the page. Just click on the job. Now either search to the job title you are interested in or just browse through the listings. Once you find a job you want to check, then click on the job post and click on the right click and click on inspect mode, and this tab will be open in your browser and go to network tab. Now reload this job page. Wait a few seconds to load this page fully completed. When you see there is no more request had, then it will be completed. Okay. uh, our request is completing. Okay, our request is completed, all resources are loaded. Let's click on this filter option and search here voyager API jobs, and you can see here two links. There is above one, you will get is data include meta, it is the right one, and second one is data meta. Okay, the first one is your correct API, and you need to be match this ID with your URL ID. You can say these are same, and click on this data and just go to this line applies this number, the number of count it called that how many people applied on this job. It applies now 819 people already applied on this job, and now it's your turn. What do you want? Do you want to apply on the job or check another one? This number you tell how many people have already applied for the job on LinkedIn. If you don't see the number of applicant, please let me know. I will help you on the comment box. Some jobs even show more details like when job was posted and how quickly applicant applied. So keep an eye for the info. If you want to track multiple jobs, just make a quick spreadsheet or note the numbers down as you browse. And that's it. Super simple. Now you know how to check how many people have applied for the job on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like button, subscribe for the more job tips, and drop a comment if you have any question or idea for future videos. Thanks for watching and good luck for the job search. I will see you in the next video.